Hi, hey, hello, it's me, Raina, in case you didn't already know. I'm also joined today by a special guest. It's my dog, Brady. He says hello. He's very shy though, so I'm gonna let him just chill right there. And so today, I'm gonna be showing you 3 eyeliners that I have had experience with, and I'm just gonna share my experiences, basically. The first eyeliner I have here is a Palladio eyeliner. I don't know the name of it exactly. The label kind of rubbed off because I've used it so much. But I used to use this eyeliner every single day for years on end. And I went to go get some more, only to be informed that they were discontinued. So I just bought a different Palladio eyeliner. This one is called the Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen in Jet Black. And it's basically just one of your standard run-of-the-mill eyeliner felt tip markers, and I would use that. However, I quickly found out that I did not like this product at all, because what would happen is I would put my eyeshadow on to do winged eyeliner over it, and you can even still see on the pen tip a little bit that my eyeshadow would get caught in the felt tip pen, and so it wouldn't come out as boldly as I would like for it to come out. However, I went to a store in Denver on vacation, a beauty store, a makeup store. You might already guess where I went. I went to the Beautycounter store, and I acquired some eyeliner from Beautycounter. So I thought I would share my thoughts on this eyeliner in comparison to the last 2 that I've had experience with. So this is the Beautycounter eyeliner. This one comes in like a gold case seal thing with a pretty bee on it. And it's very similar to the Palladio original eyeliner that I would use in terms of it being a liquid liner, and you could dip it into the cartridge, which it's a must-have, because once you get your eyeshadow stuck on the tip, instead of just having to deal with it, you can just dip it back in and it's ready to go. This one was a little difficult to get used to just because it's not a felt tip and I've been using felt tips for the past few years. This one is literally like a brush, like a paintbrush, but not like an actual paintbrush, but like a paintbrush made for your face, which would make sense because this is an eyeliner. But it's very, very bold, very precise, very, very nice eyeliner. Highly, highly recommend it. As I am a person that is also very picky about my eyeliner. Is he digging a hole? Is he? Yes. Yeah, but I love the eyeliner. It comes off super easily, goes on super easily. It's very bold and strong. I don't know how else to say it. It's a very strong black, if that makes any sense. Alright guys, well, don't mind the wind and Brady digging in the background. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first one. Please leave a little like if you liked it.